Welcome to Cute Easy Drawings.
Let's create and play. Together we can draw every single day.
3, 2, 1, start! This drawing is super cute and it's really easy to follow. Subscribe to Cute Easy Drawings. This is such an easy and fun drawing. You're going to love it. Subscribe to Cute Easy Drawings. Aren't these two big eyes just the cutest thing ever? Every step makes this drawing cuter and cuter, doesn't it? I just love how this little character is coming to life. If something doesn't look right, you can always try again. coloring. Now, let's add some color to make it come alive. This is the fun part. Subscribe! Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss out on new adorable drawings. If you enjoyed drawing with me today, please give this video a big thumbs up. Your support means so much and helps me create more fun and easy tutorials. Thanks so much for watching,